Welcome back to Tap Tech. If you're new here, we bring you honest and simple tech reviews so you can buy smart and live smarter today. We're reviewing something that looks just like a normal pair of sunglasses, but is actually way more than that. These are the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. At first glance, they might look like regular Ray-Bans, but they're packed with smart features. Ray-Ban partnered with Meta to bring smart tech into their iconic frames. And the result is actually pretty cool. You can take pictures, shoot videos, listen to music, make calls, and even talk to Meta AI. All this while still looking like you're just wearing stylish shades. Let's talk about the design. The glasses come in different frame shapes, like Wayfarer and Headliner, with several colors to choose from. They look and feel just like regular Ray-Bans. That's what makes them special. You're not wearing something that screams smart glasses. The frame is made from strong and lightweight material, feels solid, and doesn't bend too easily. The arms are slightly thicker than standard sunglasses, but not too bulky. That's where the tech is hidden. There are speakers, microphones, and the touchpad built right into the arms. Wearing them is very comfortable. You can wear them for hours and forget they have tech inside. The lenses offer good UV protection and come with prescription options too. You can also swap them for transition lenses or clear lenses. The display isn't like AR glasses. There's no visible screen in front of your eyes. Instead, all the interaction is done through voice and touch. That means no pop-ups or holograms, which helps keep things simple and distraction-free. There's a tiny front-facing camera on the right side of the glasses. It's barely noticeable, but can capture photos and videos easily. The quality is actually better than expected for such. A small camera. You get 12MP photos and 108p video at 30 FPS. The footage looks natural. Colors are balanced. You can record up to 60 seconds per video clip. This makes it great for capturing quick moments without pulling out your phone. Whether you're biking, walking your dog, or at a concert, you can just tap the frame and capture the moment. Let's move to performance. Everything works smoothly, and the glasses respond fast. You can say, "Hey Meta," to trigger the voice assistant. It understands commands well and replies clearly through the built-in speakers. The speakers are open ear and sit just above your ears. They direct sound toward you without blocking outside noise. This means you can hear your music, podcasts, or calls clearly while still being aware of your surroundings. It's a big plus for safety when you're outside. Volume can be adjusted. By swiping the arm, you can also pause, play, and skip songs using touch gestures. Calls are also clear. The microphones do a good job blocking out background noise so your voice stays crisp. Now, let's talk about the Meta AI. This is built into the glasses and can do more than just basic tasks. You can ask it for weather updates, reminders, or even information about what you're looking at. It's still being improved, but it feels like a step forward in hands-free tech. Photos and videos are synced to the MetaView app on your phone. The app is simple to use. You can browse, share, or delete your content easily. It also lets you adjust settings and update firmware. Battery life is decent. You get around 4 to 6 hours of mixed use on a single charge, depending on how much you record or stream. The glasses come with a carrying case that also acts as a charger. It gives multiple charges on the go. Charging the case and glasses is done through USB-C. The magnetic connectors make charging easy. Just pop the glasses in the case, and it starts charging. No cables directly on the glasses. That's clean and convenient for casual music listening. The sound quality is good. It's not going to replace big headphones, but for glasses, it's impressive. Bass is light, but vocals are clear and instruments sound natural. If you're indoors or in a quiet place, the sound feels rich. Outdoors, wind and traffic might reduce the clarity a little. The microphones also support live streaming. You can connect them with Instagram or Facebook to stream directly from your glasses. That's a nice feature for content creators who want to go live hands-free. You don't need to hold your phone at all in terms of connectivity. The glasses use Bluetooth to connect with your phone. The connection is stable and range is about 30 feet. Pairing is easy, and you can connect both Android and iPhone. It also supports updates, so Meta can improve features over time. There's no screen, there's no AR display, and no app running on the glasses themselves. Everything is controlled by voice, touch, and the companion app. That makes them easy to use and not overwhelming. If you're expecting AR glasses like Apple Vision Pro or Magic Leap, this isn't that. It's more like a smart wearable with a camera, speakers, and voice assistant. Price-wise, the glasses start at around $299 and go higher if you add prescription lenses or custom frames. It's not cheap, but not too high for smart wearables. Compared to smartwatches or earbuds, it offers something different: hands-free visuals and audio. So who are these for? They're great for travelers, creators, commuters, and people who like to be connected without pulling out their phones every time. If you want to quickly snap a picture, make a call, or listen to music without being glued to your screen, these glasses make a lot of sense, but they're not for everyone. If you need a screen or you want high-end audio or AR visuals, you'll find them lacking. Also, privacy can be a concern for others around you. There is a small LED light that turns on when recording, but people may still feel unsure if you're filming them. Let's break down the pros and cons. The pros: stylish and comfortable design, smooth performance, good photo and video quality, easy-to-use voice assistant, clear audio, and hands-free functionality. It's perfect for everyday use and casual content creation. The cons: no AR display, limited recording time, audio not great in noisy places, and a relatively high price. Also, Meta AI is still improving, and it might not always give perfect answers. Final verdict: Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses are a cool mix of fashion and function. They don't try to be over-the-top smart glasses. Instead, they stay simple and helpful. You can wear them like normal sunglasses, but still enjoy features like taking a photo, playing music, or calling someone, all without using your phone. It's a step forward in wearable tech. It's not revolutionary, but definitely smart if you want a stylish, simple, and fun smart accessory. These glasses might be just right for you. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech reviews. See you in the next one.